This soup is delicious.
Nice,
It was
man.
worth the wait
Mm-hmm.
and the effort to get out in the rain to get the stuff.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
As I say, the bake really hold tight. Yes, over real
Well, thank
good.
God for Natasha and Panta, yes?
Yeah, that bake really hold us over, so now we can really enjoy this soup. It is
Yes.
delicious. Just a little bit too much salt for us.
Okay.
But for you, I guess it's great.
But Sana, I want to say the chicken that gave us this chicken foot was he real proud of himself.
I tell you. Yes.
It looks real good.
Nicely, softly cooked with relish.
It's looking like a Cora chicken foot, boy.
A Cora chicken foot.
Yeah,
Yes.
but it definitely
Lancy Cora chicken food would have been hard, you know, and small.
running for up them hill and things.
Yeah. No, boy, it's a nice, juicy little feet, boy.
Yes.
So where this feed from?
With feet for me, gatas.
And I'm guessing that Daddy's video will go up before mine's. So I just getting all y'all little peep into mine's, doing some editing here.
Look at chicken for Sarah to cook. God bless Natasha and Panta.
this is delicious.
Look at this presentation, people. Nicely wrapped. I ain't opened it up yet. And I seen a pea there. So most like dyed pepper, dyed for me. Alright, Daddy, have one. Thank you very much, Natasha and Panta.
That was really delicious, eh?
Yeah, it was good.
So that will go
So-
on to ours.
Yes.
So,
Right.
so wait a minute. Okay, great.
Because we said Natasha
Yeah.
and
Yes. No, I just give people a little peep there on the video.
But it's marvelous, man. This soup is delicious, boy.
You love it? Yes, man.
delicious.
Over here, anything yet?
She said the bake
Good. All right, nice, man.
Yes, Sana, boy.
Delicious. Yeah, look at the money to us.
You don't mix the skills at all.
No, I invite
Yeah.
Panta and them across now.
Okay.
So gonna get them a call here.
This thing is delicious indeed.
But you know you could put down a bowl and then put down a bowl again.
Well, you want some company?
Well, it's good to enjoy this soup with the man who made it, eh?
But okay. It's okay.
I'll come and eat some.
You see, one of the things, is to do what we have been doing for years. Enjoying meals, going out together. Hey, girl, Louise, I had a laugh, Sana, your mother dressed up nice the other day, boy. We go in and look for a guy in Cora Junction.
Yeah.
A guy in Cora Junction, boy. And
If never Sana save us, you know.
yeah, and here now, man, when we going down there, boy, we looking sharp, yeah? You know the man sleeping, boy?
I hear so, boy. I hear so.
And then I was very happy to say, Sana say you still buy the roti boy.
Yes.
I said, at least we have to go home and get the roti waited for us, boy.
So wait a minute, Sana. Would you say that the rain today is what prompted this soup?
Of course.
Yeah, boy, soup.
You will have a soup. Hey, Natasha and Panta. Soup finished. So if you want, come across anytime already. Alright? A big pot of soup waiting.
But you know, a fancy does eat soup.
Panta eating soup, boy.
That panta could eat soup. That panta could eat soup, Lancy.
Soup for the panta, boy. You could see.
Every mouthful.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Fancy, boy.
I didn't get sweet potato, but I tell you, it tastes so good.
You're missing a controller.
The Edos is delicious.
There you are.
Lancy, it's a long time we have sit down and talking.
I don't talk when I eat it. Sana,
Don't like a man, no boy.
I don't talk when I eat it, Louis.
Like your concern, your concerned subscribers who like to see you eating and that you will choke.
Yeah, boy. Choking while you're eating is a serious affair. Salad are looking really good, boy.
Yes.
The sauce has a nice thickness to it, and yet it's mellow.
That is the that I tell you, the Eddos.
The Eddos,
Yeah, the slime from the Eddos.
yeah, slime you'll call it.
Yeah. It's like putting okos in it, but there's no okos.
Okay.
Guys, this is pumpkin skin. I left some of the pumpkin skin. As I say, I learned this from a Venezuelan friend. And it gives such a nice little crunch.
Beautiful, man.
My pumpkin skin is good to eat.
Real good. So people we going in. Let me taste it. Oh gosh. All right.
What's that?
Boss. It is real good, boy.
Yeah.
Real good.
All of that is reaction and all that.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yummy.
It's so good. Want some more?
No, I'm still plodding along here,
I
man.
don't give it too much liquid because
Yeah.
I know you're always concerned about too much liquid.
Yeah, but it's okay. When I'm ready, I'm sure I'll have more.
Join this boy.
You little dashing girl, eh?
You don't mind when it's cooked good, eh?
No.
The celery stalks. It's crunchy and nice too.
Thanks, Dad.
We had any provision while we were in Florida? By Yvonne. We had, right?
We haven't had soup since we left. Sana, first soup.
A good tree soup. A good tree soup.
First soup for the last 8 weeks.
The ham.
A good
It's the real thing now.
And this is a first class soup, eh? So
This soup really is very tasty.
and chicken foot soup is really nourishing.
You know, mother,
Chicken feet give you what's the nutrients that
gelatin
the gelatin, yeah.
Zinc.
was good for your platelets, is it?
And it's also good for you to raise your platelets.
Platelets. Mother cooked a soup once, you know. Chicken neck soup.
That's about soup, boy.
But my brother came home and the bowl was full of neck, boy.
Yeah.
He said, mother, what you cook here? Giraffe?
You want to make it up there?
But these boys really had jokes in them.
We gave jokes, we took jokes.
That is really joking. Giraffe, mother cook a giraffe. That's why you have so much humor. Because you tease each other. And people know it's a joke.
Boy, look at this. Usually it was melted nice.
That's Mr. Edwards there.
Wow.
So you see what I'm talking about, right? So smooth
Yes, delicious.
and, nice and
Soft.
slippery.
Silky.
Real good. A lot of people, long time, they cook soup on a Saturday and when rain falling. We used to make, Mama used to make coconut bake too, and fried fish.
Mm-hmm. I like the size of your dumplings.
Mommy cut them out.
Oh, mommy.
Skills, you know, skills, you know. You roll them, and then you just cut them.
I found that was a good size. But I don't know.
Bite size, bite size. Good for soup. But you won't make it like that if you're doing fish and dumpling.
No, you
You
make
have to
it
eat like 1,000 of them. So you make it kettle down. Then you get a good fish or saltfish. Good, eh? You have room for when the exposed come. It's just a taster. So you get a next taster. Because the longer the soup stay on the fire, they see, better it will taste. Everything soaking in. Daddy, what can I put in your plate? In your bowl?
Nothing like it. I'm good. No thanks.
Like you come back for seconds too and you have company.
When they come, we'll have a little more. Put line to ready.
Eat together as a family and as friends.
You want another food?
Now I had two
That was delicious.
really and healthy, eh?
Boss.
Healthy taste.
Water now. Good to go there.
Then folks might come about 5.
That panda them. Well, I'm trying to call them mine, getting on to them.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Now I am happy and contented having had that delicious soup and getting out of my wet clothes, sweating over that and laboring over that good food. I would love to hail out to some of our wonderful supporters and to express appreciation for the encouragement we have received from all of you. It's a little difficult to call all the names, but I have gone through the comments and selected some names, and I would just like to express our thankfulness to all of you for the support, the words of encouragement, and we are really happy to know that we are of some help to you all out there. And that warms the heart and encourages us to continue to pass on our life experiences along the way. So we are going to start off with Savvy, Betty from Florida, Salik, Michelle, Jennifer Forbes, Natasha Narayan, Ann Guerra, Barbara's Kitchen, I know you're a good cook, Lima Richardson, Parvati Lakan, and moving right along, Susie and Allison, Michael Zambrano. It was such a pleasure to have met you and Amy. I hope I have the name correct. And to have even met your lovely sisters and that delicious curry, fish and rice. We really had a little taste from it with Lasana. As a matter of fact, we had it before Lasana had his.
Right.
And it was really delicious. As you say, bunje curry chicken, but I would say that's what we used to call patawi, dry curry.
Excuse me, Louis. That Michael Zambrano and the girl is Avril.
Avril.
Yes.
Michael and Avril. It was such a pleasure to have met you all. And thank you so much for bringing your sisters along so that we could have met them. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of your vacation. And now I know you are back in America, where there's a lot of heat, where we had rain like peas today. Yes. Judy T, I love how you are narrating, a narrator on Lasana's life, and that keeps us in touch with you pretty often, hearing that you are on and your comments on Lasana's life. Florence, thank you very much, all of you, for the wonderful support over the past few months, and we are glad to be back from vacation now, and that we'll be able to share a little more of marriage tips and experiences as we go on. So all the best, and do have a pleasant night, and take care, and continue to support us. Bye.